We did some changes on the ABS dongle for Yamaha Tenere700 with color TFT screen, and made a second generation of the dongle. Now this generation is connected only to the diagnostic plug, and it have integrated splitter. So only thing that you have to do is disconnect this red connector and connect the dongle in between here and here. Now it depends on the size of your battery. On this bike, here's the space here, so I can attach the dongle here on this empty slot, and it's finished. It's all you must do to install our ABS dongle. Now you have the ABS memory. You can control the ABS with the switch next to the screen, and it's all. If you don't have free space here and the dongle doesn't fit there because the battery is bigger, you must sort out the cables here and install the dongle on this empty slot. You must cut this one cable tie that holds the cables, push them to the side a bit, and then you can fit the dongle there on this position. Then just check if everything is working well. If you can control the ABS system with the click of the button, or the whole ABS with long press. Memory function, it's there. Okay, it's perfect, everything is working well. Also check our CNC milled aluminum fuel tank cap holders. They are also very handy stuff. Thank you for watching and enjoy the riding.